There's a train in the background. It's about a mile away, but the subject of this video is this nest here that was built by two birds. They built it, but they don't really live here. I think it's a summer home or something. The birds is totally abandoned because it changes, although I never see them at their residence. They actually have a more permanent home in my barbecue grill. In the barbecue grill they have another nest. The train's about a mile away. When I first moved to this home, I wondered, am I going to get used to that sound? But it's rather interesting now.